Hello, welcome back to our new video. Here, I am with a part of our post-basic BSc exam preparations videos. Today, let's make a discussion on psychology examination. Before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and enable the bell notification so you don't miss any single video. Let's move to the video. In PBBSc Psychology, and you will get different type of questions like long essay, short essays and short answers. So long essays, there is 2 long essays are there. Each questions carries 10 mark and a total 20. Then another one is short essays. Each essays carries 5 mark. Another last one is short answers. One short answers carries 2 mark. Then we can move to the long essays. So here some important questions are there. First one, define personality and explain psychoanalytic theory of personality. Next one, define learning and discuss the theory of classical conditioning. The next is a common question, that is define psychology and discuss the scope of psychology and enumerate its applications to nursing. Another question is define emotions and discuss the related theories of emotions. Another one, define memory and explain the types of memory with examples. Another question is, what are the defense mechanisms and explain any 5 defense mechanisms. Next question, what is frustration and distinguish between task-oriented and defense-oriented reactions. Another question is, discuss the role of hereditary and environment in the development of human behavior. Next, discuss endocrine system and its influence in development of behavior. Explain the theories of intelligence. And this intelligence question is very common. Next question, define forgetting and explain the theories of forgetting. Another one, define perception and discuss the factors influencing perceptions. And one more is there, explain extrasensory perceptions. Next question, what is motivation and explain the theories of motivation. Another question is, how frustrations and conflict causes stress and discuss the role of nurse in the stress management. Explain the characteristics of a mentally healthy person. And another question is, discuss the psychological needs of different age groups and chronologically ill individual. So these are the commonly asking long essay question. Then let's move to the short essays. I will give the some model questions. You can work on it. First is illusion and hallucination. Next, uses of psychology. Another one, principles of hereditary. Methods of memorizing. Discuss the tools of evaluation and theories of motivation. This may be get in your long essays also. Then next question, define conflict and explain the types of conflict. Next is theories of intelligence. And another one is observation method and concept of mental health. Next is types of habits, factors influencing attention and concentrations. Next one is Maslow's hierarchy of theory, and another one is sensory disorder. And you may get another questions like discuss the measures of emotions. Another types of memory. Then related with the learning, tail and error of learning. Then modification of attitudes. Psychological changes during emotions. Discuss the steps of problem solving. Personalities in sickness. Another one is name some characteristics of attitude. Another social motives. Then another one is case history method. Next, psychological needs of children and types of thinking. Possible hazards of mental health of a glowing individual. Next, narrate the importance of personality in nursing. Explain the role of autonomic nervous system and define mental retardation. Next is enumerate different type of mental retardation. These are the commonly asked short essay questions. So don't forget to work on it. Next we can discuss about the short answer questions. Short answer question, total 10 questions you will get. Each question carries 2 marks and total 20 mark you can score. I will give some examples. First is anger, social actualizations, clinical psychology, rating scale, projective techniques, then amnesia, conflict, motivation cycle, principles of closure, errors of thinking, reward punishment, and next is trial and error of learning, emotions, introvert and ambivert, reasoning. Next you may get like a sensation, stress, emotion and health, survey method, rationalization, hypothesis. Next questions may be it or ego or superego, reinforcement, aptitude test, frustration. Another 2 more questions are steps of creativity, psychoanalysis, concept of IQ, maybe the definition of IQ, introvert and extrovert, types of reasoning, principles of grouping, pure psychology, emotional imbalance, abstract. Okay, so far we are discussing about the lot of questions that may be get for year PVBSc examination. So don't forget to work on it. If you have any doubt, don't forget to comment below. See you on next video. Have a nice day.